In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents to transactions, bills, and expenses QuickBooks Online. Keeping receipts, invoices, and other backup documents linked to your transactions makes audits easier, speeds up month-end close, and gives your team clarity. Today, we'll walk through attaching a document to an expense in QuickBooks Online, so everything lives in one place. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online company and opening the main dashboard. Look for the Create or New button, usually at the top or left side, depending on your layout. Click it to open the list of transaction types. From that menu, choose Expense. This opens a new expense form where you'll enter the details and add your file. Before attaching anything, fill out the expense fields carefully so the transaction is accurate. Select the payee, such as a vendor or employee. Choose the payment account, like checking or a credit card, to reflect where the money came from. Set the payment date and payment method. In the category details, assign the correct expense account, add a clear description, and enter the amount, quantity, and any tax if applicable. If the cost relates to a customer or project, mark it accordingly so you can track billable items later. A concise memo can help future you or your accountant quickly understand the charge. Taking a moment here prevents rework and keeps your books clean. Once the key fields are in place, scroll to find the attachment section on the expense form. This is where you'll link your supporting documents. Click Add Attachment. You can browse your computer to select a PDF, image, or other supported file, or drag and drop a file directly into the box. High quality, legible scans are best. Make sure the vendor, date, and total are readable and match what you entered. You can add more than one file if you need to include both a receipt and a detailed invoice. If you accidentally pick the wrong file, remove it before saving and attach the correct one. After your attachment finishes uploading, give everything a quick review. Confirm the payee, account, amounts, and categories are correct, and that the attached files are the right ones. When you're happy with it, click Save. Depending on your screen, you might see options like Save and Close or Save and New. Any save option will store the attachment with the transaction. That's it. Your expense now has a paper trail linked directly to it, so anyone reviewing later can open the transaction and view the files. The same general approach applies to other transaction types, helping you keep your records complete and organized.